How to use outfit codes in Roblox. So first, of course, you just have to simply log into your Roblox account. And then what you want to do here is to simply locate Marketplace. Under Marketplace, you can see here different outfit. And then all you have to do is select what outfit you want to use or you want to wear. So you can see here category and you can see here all items. You can choose or select the category that you want to select here. Okay, so let's just say you wanted to use this outfit right here. All you have to do is just simply click this. Now, once you click this one, you will see above that it changes the code. So this is the real code of this outfit right here. So to use this, what you want to do is to simply copy this code above. But once done, or once you copy this, you have to open that website that your Roblox is currently logged in. Let's just say you want to open and use this outfit. So go to that anywhere browser and then type Roblox slash catalog and then paste the code so that when you enter this one, it will take you directly to that outfit. Then all you have to do is to tap wear or use, or if you haven't purchased this, then you need to purchase. So that's how you copy, paste, and use this outfit code to your Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.